Today, I'm going to tell you all about my upcoming trip to Scotland and what clothing items I'm planning to bring. I'm also going to show you some outfits that a professional stylist helped me pull together for the trip. If that sounds interesting to you, please keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are having a splendid day. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. So I am leaving for Scotland very soon. This is a big anniversary trip for me and my husband. Our daughter is also coming along with another friend, so there are 4 of us traveling. We will be in Scotland for 7 nights, so 1 week, and we will be visiting Inverness and Edinburgh. At the end of the video, I will give you my complete clothing packing list for a week in Scotland. By the way, my next video after this one will be all about the flight to Scotland because my husband used points to upgrade us on American Airlines. This is a real treat because we'll be staying in those pod things. So if you don't want to miss my experiences flying transatlantic business class on American Airlines, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I upload that video. Oh, and please give this video a big thumbs up if you like travel videos. If you're a fan of my cruising videos, do not worry. After a few Scotland videos, I will be right back to my regular cruising content. So with all that being said, let's get to packing. So I booked a session with my friend Allison Bornstein to help me pack. Allison is a professional stylist. She is based in New York City and she styles all types of people, including celebrities. She has worked with Katie Holmes, for example. Now, I did a video with Allison on packing for a 7-night Caribbean cruise a while back. So if you want all the history and the story of how I got to know Allison, I will link that video at the end so you can check it out. By the way, if you'd like to give your wardrobe a refresh, I will link all of Allison's information in the description box below. You can book 1-hour FaceTime styling sessions with her, and I think her rates are very reasonable. Allison also has a great YouTube channel and Instagram account, and I will include that information below as well. Now, to be clear, I do not work with a stylist on a regular basis. I am not that fancy or that rich. I usually book a session with Allison on my birthday as a gift to myself. But I decided to get her help packing for Scotland because, number one, I thought it would make a much more interesting video than me just showing you clothing that I'm planning to bring. I love watching packing videos before a big trip, especially if I haven't been there before. But even though I love packing videos, I detest packing. So having Allison's input was a huge plus. Now, the second reason I booked a session with Allison is because the weather in Scotland is going to be in the 50s and 60s. It could get down to the 40s. Now, I am a Floridian and I basically suck at layering. That may sound funny to some of you, but it's true. It feels awkward and I'm just not used to it. Also, I get cold very easily, so I knew I would need to layer up, and Allison is the queen of layering. So on to my packing session with Allison. The first thing she asked was if I had some items that I would definitely be bringing with me to Scotland. I showed her 3 cashmere sweaters I bought. I'm actually wearing one right now. I chose these because they are lightweight and they're comfortable and because I love a bargain. The sweaters were $50 each and regular retail was $120, I believe. I will put the link where I got these sweaters in the description box below. And by the way, none of this is sponsored. I'm just giving you the information in case you're interested. Now, I'm planning to wear one of these cashmere sweaters on the plane, and I will show you a picture of my plane outfit right now. I actually got inspired for this outfit from Allison. She posted something on Instagram about comfort and style while flying, and I figured since we're flying business class and being all fancy, maybe I should also try to look comfortable and stylish. One thing I wanted to point out about this picture is that you will see that I am wearing a blanket scarf, and I never fly without a blanket scarf. You can use it as a shawl, a pillow, a blanket, a back pillow. It just comes in really handy and it takes up no room in your carry-on luggage. Now back to my session with Allison. When she saw the sweaters, that gave her a starting point, and she asked what I was planning to wear with the sweaters most of the time when I was in Scotland, and I said, jeans. So she had me put on the sweater with a pair of jeans I'm bringing, along with some boots that I'm planning to bring. And when I am in Scotland, I will be wearing a tank or a tee underneath the sweater just in case I get too warm. That's unlikely, but it could happen. So Allison took a look and she said, let's start with a belt and necklace. And by the way, I had already decided that I was going to stick to all gold jewelry and accents just to make things simpler. And except for the sweaters, I haven't purchased any special clothing items for the trip. Once we had the basics down, Allison said, let's try adding a scarf. So I showed her my collection of scarves and she really liked the leopard one. So that's the one that I will be bringing with me to Scotland. Then Allison suggested completing the look with a blazer and a bag. So I chose this olive green one from Theory and also a fanny pack because apparently fanny packs are back. So that's a good example of how Allison helped me create different looks using the same pieces. I can wear the sweater and the jeans with the necklace. I can wear the sweater and the jeans with the blazer. I can add the scarf, that sort of thing. So I have options. I also told Allison that I was planning on bringing white jeans on the trip, and she thought that was a great idea because I can mix all the same looks that I was wearing with the blue jeans with white jeans. And I'm also bringing leggings, so I can also swap out the jeans for leggings. Also, by simply replacing the blazer with a jacket, that gives all of these outfits a different feel. So this is the basis for my daytime wardrobe in Scotland. A tank or t-shirt, a sweater, leggings or jeans, and a blazer or jacket if it's chilly. And to mix it up, I can wear the scarf or add jewelry. And if I get warm, Allison suggested just placing the sweater around my shoulders. For evenings, I'm using the same basic formula, only with dressier tops and boots. Here's one evening look that Allison helped me put together. I just put on a dressier top and changed into dressier boots and swapped out the necklace. And here's another with a cami, a blazer, and a sweater used as a scarf. I can wear this if we're dining in the hotel or very close to the hotel, or I can always put on the sweater over the cami. I'm also bringing a dressier purse for evenings, and you can see that I'm sticking to the gold accents. So these were some of the looks that Allison styled for me. I will be re-wearing each piece of clothing at least twice. Allison really helped me break through my layering block, and I feel very prepared for my trip. And here is my clothing packing list for the trip. One final thing, I just wanted to show you some luggage that we bought. My husband, my daughter, and I all got new luggage for this trip because, to be honest, our luggage is pretty crappy and we needed new luggage. I found this set on Groupon of all places. It is Badgley Mischka. My set is the ivory, which is probably a bad purchase decision because it will get dirty first. My daughter's is the light blue and my husband's is the dark blue. This is Badgley Mischka, which is kind of bougie, and it was regularly $1,000 and we got it for $240. Each three-piece set was $240. Now I haven't traveled with it yet. It seems very sturdy and it has nice wheels, and I'm excited that we have some stylish new luggage. So if you're interested, I will put the link down in the description box below so that you can check it out just in case you're in the market for some new luggage. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it fun. If you have ever been to Inverness or Edinburgh, please leave a comment below and tell me what we should do while we are there. If you'd like to hang out with me a little bit longer, I have picked out a couple videos at the end that I think you might like. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching.